Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a contact number to your account on OnlyFans using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans, as well as a mobile phone. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to the OnlyFans platform where we have a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on this. That will directly take me to my profile. Let's now go to More. Go to Settings. Let's now go to Account. And account information. Now let's go to third one down to phone number. Insert your phone number in this box and then click on save. Now click on save. We will now be required to send code to my email, so let's click on this. Now check your email, open up a new tab. Navigate to your email inbox. That code should have been sent to your inbox now. Let's highlight, copy, go back to your account, and now paste that code in. Confirm. Now there'll be a code sent directly to your mobile phone. So this is their security check again. Let's type in the code itself. Verify. The two-step authentication with SMS has been enabled for your account. You can manage your account here and backup codes. We'll click on that later. Now let's go back to my profile. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.